Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an ATC swap from Mrs. Cat's Crafting 2024 ATC Trade from Helen. And I took off the address labels because look at this gorgeous envelope, guys. Isn't that cute? I love how she did this. So I want to save the envelope. And it just ripped a little bit here and there, not bad. I just slit the side. I haven't seen what's in here. So let's do it. Ooh. She's got a lot of little hearts. Okay. Okay, we're going to start from the top. Well, we can see all these little heart confettis. And we're cute. Okay. Oops, let's move this. My bad. That's bad. Let me get in camera here. Okay. Look at all the little heart confetti. Yeah. Oh, look at that pretty sticker. Cute little tags. Oh, some more heart confetti. Got a pile of that. Another little heart. Oh, but here's the ATC. I love getting the ATCs. Oh, look at how she did that. She's got this like ribbon on the top. She's got some stickers. Candy, sweets, XOXOs, and kisses. And I think that looks a macaron. A heart. Look at her background. I love the background, Helen. And then we got another little Cupid sticker. Whoop. Oh, look at a little envelope. Oh, look at it is a wax seal. Cool. And look at the little cuties. And we got a little piece of paper. Let's see. It looks like a story. There was a little girl who had a little card right in the middle of her forehead. That's cute. Oh, we got some lace. And then we got some lips. And some hearts. Alrighty, so let's do her page. First of all, I want to save her envelope. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim it here, real narrow on the side. Make sure I get the whole thing open. Okay. Then I'm going to like this. Boom. Cool. Alright. So, put the book. Friendship Across the World. Ooh, what? You know what? Helen's going to have 2 pages. Because I'm going to split this up in 2 pages. So, that and that and that. And we'll take this. Ooh, it says color. You color me happy, or the back side. We'll do we color me happy on the front. That. That. These little sequins, I am going to have to get my glue gun, and I will put them here and there, because I don't think I can get them to stay with this glue. So I will probably do that, but imagine them like here and there. Okay? Or I might just save them for another project. Put it in a shaker. Okay, we're gonna put the crown there. And I love her envelope, so I don't really want to cover up her envelope. And I think she did these too. So. Ooh, that's a chocolate. These are so cute. And one little heart. Okay, there we go. So, all right. You know what? I just realized I dropped something from Helen. I just thought it would have got up. Okay. Ooh, another little cute little tag. Okay. So, see how well I can do. Cool. All right. Okay, here we go. That'll be the first page from Helen. And over, do the second page. I got my glue gun. I'm always finding stickers, and I'm thinking, Tina, you got a pokey stick. Use it. You just made one for yourself again. Come on. Okay. Cute little stirrups. And then we had the little envelope. I'll put that right there.
Hey, baby.
Hi, I'm doing a video, so beware.
Beware.
Yeah, don't say anything that I have to start this video over. I'm almost done.
All I said was, hi, baby.
Hello.
I got my pen back.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Ended up I was coming back from Luxembourg from a run.
Mm-hmm.
Got a telephone call to pick somebody up to run them to Manitowoc.
Cool.
I was like, well, since I'm down here, I gave my cousin a call.
Cool, and you got your pen back.
Uh-huh. You want to know something?
I know a lot.
I didn't say you didn't.
Okay, what do I need to know?
You know, when Tigger was making your Starry Night,
He made more.
he had to make one for himself.
Yep, I know.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you knew that.
He told me.
Oh, did he?
Yep.
Oh. I know something you don't know.
What?
He broke his foot.
Ooh, honey. Hell.
Dropped a chunk of firewood on it.
Ouch.
All black and blue all across the front end of his left foot. And they got a kitty that sits there and goes meow, 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 meow at him all the time to feed him. But they got an automatic cat feeder. So I was sitting there, I was petting the kitty, you know, meow, 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 meow. Tigger's like, 4 minutes! 4 minutes! So I'm sitting there, I'm petting him and talking to him and Mary, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All of a sudden, comes out like a slot machine.
Cool.
Wow! Oh my gosh! That cat couldn't get to it fast enough. And then munch, 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 gone. I mean, maybe 3 or 4 bites and the whole dish was gone. And then the cat looks around, goes, "Hey," and wanders off. So, and then I got,
I'll come up and talk to you. I'm almost.
okay, fine.
I don't mean to be rude.
You said you won.
Okay. Well, how's everybody? I don't edit, so you just got a day in the life of Tina and her husband. I don't know. I always talk like I'm in the third party or second party or however. But I got Helen's done. So, as you see, I took her envelope because I thought it was so cool. I got those little, I guess you could call these table scatters. Got her stickers down here and her little tags. I put her name right there. Oops, I forgot the year. And then we flip over. I did this side too. Forgot the year here too. I like year, putting a year on. And this is what this side looks like. So Helen, thank you. I love them. I love these little stickers. I love your paper. I believe she did these too. Because I can tell by the envelope that she did the envelope. And as I'm looking at the papers, I believe she did the papers too. So thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching this and humor and Scott as he yapped away there. I'm going to show Helen's trading card one more time. It's so pretty. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I will see you on the next one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.